Hello everyone, this is Surya sir teaching for UPSC CSC Anthropology. Today's topic of discussion is universality of family. This is part of paper 1 UPSC CSC Mains Anthropology syllabus, topic 2.4. Many times this question has come to critically examine the universality of family as a social institution. Now in the introduction part you can mention that since marriage is a universal social institution and performs a structural functional role in society, hence family is also a universal social institution because marriage results in formation of a family. Now J.P. Murdoch in his book Social Structure 1949 gave the definition of family after studying 250 societies. He gave the features of family as having common residence, economic cooperation and reproduction between two adults with socially approved sexual relationship. So this is the definition of family and it is mandatory that you mention this. Now according to this definition and study, J.P. Murdoch proved that nuclear family is functional in society, that means it plays a functional role in society. You can add David Aberle here, who says that nuclear family not only fulfills a functional prerequisite but also a structural prerequisite of society. Now it has been proved that it forms a structural prerequisite as well as a functional prerequisite. Since it plays a structural functional role in maintaining society, it is also a universal social institution. Hence family is a universal social institution. So you have shown that family is a universal social institution on the basis of structure and function. Now you need to show the exceptions or challenges which was put forward to J.P. Murdoch's definition of family. Now functional exceptions you can remember through a mnemonic: Shri, S for sexual functions, R for reproductive functions, E for economic functions and E for educational or socialization function. Socialization you can also put in S, that is sexual/socialization function. Now what are the challenges or exceptions that have been put forth? In sexual function we see that J.P. Murdoch said that man and woman perform sexual functions in a socially approved relationship, but it can be woman and woman also. Now this exception to family you can mention example of Dinka tribe or Mule tribe where woman marriages occur. So sexual function cannot be performed because the conception can occur between man and woman only, and here it is not possible. Same can be said for Nair societies in Malabar and ghost marriages where the union of man and woman is not there, hence sexual functions are not performed. Hence family is not universal because these are also examples of family. R is reproductive functions. Reproductive functions include azande, that is boy wives. Again the same thing, only the female member can have conception. Now since boy are considered as wife in azande family, hence reproductive functions cannot be performed. Economic functions. Economic functions exceptions include Nair society, kibbutz of Israel and welfare state. Nair society has visiting husbands. The economic function is spread over the extended family. It is not restricted to the nuclear family as said by J.P. Murdoch. Kibbutz, the community takes up the process of socialization, rearing and economic functions. The father and the mother don't have the economic responsibility of the child. In the welfare state, that is the modern welfare state, the food, clothing, shelter, old age home, these requirements are maintained by the welfare state. Hence the family or its progeny does not have to take care of the responsibility or have to not perform the economic functions. Similarly, if there is a 3-generation family, the economic functions are restricted to the middle generation of the family. This also is an exception to the economic functions which have been postulated by J.P. Murdoch. What are the exceptions to the educational functions? Now here you can link with paper 2. In Ho tribe there is Killi, which is also called a youth dormitory. It performs the educational or the socialization functions. Hence family does not do it. Same goes with Bush schools of West Africa. These schools perform the educational function rather than the family itself. So these are the functional exceptions to J.P. Murdoch's definition of universal definition of family. Now what are the structural limitations? Nair society again has a Tarawad, that is a matrilineal family of visiting husbands. Hence, the man and woman are not cohabiting. This contradicts Murdoch's definition of cohabitation or common residence. 1.4 Matrifocal. Another exception to the structural exception to definition is matrifocal families or matrilineal families in Central America and Negro societies. Here the father is absent, so father and mother don't have a common residence. Hence, another structural exception to J.P. Murdoch's definition. What are the reasons for matrifocal? You can mention briefly that W.G. Goode said that poverty is the reason for matrifocal families because father stays away. Herskovitz said that in African societies there is polygyny, there are numerous wives, so you can't stay with all of them at a time. M.G. Smith said that slave societies, the slaves went away to work and the masters had sexual access to their wives. Again, it challenges the definition of J.P. Murdoch. So here you can say that family is not universal due to these reasons. Similarly, Sapir had studied kibbutz of Israel. The socialization function, which was said to be performed by the family universally, is not performed by the family but by the community in kibbutz Israel. Hence, family is not a universal social institution. So both the parts of the debate you have shown, family is a universal social institution. No, family is not a universal social institution. You have to balance it out in a conclusion because you want to become a good civil servant. So you must have a balanced view and also have some academic intellect in that. So Kathleen Gough is very important. You can mention Kathleen Gough in the structural exception also when she studied the Nair society. Here also you can say that Kathleen Gough said that the only thing universal is mother-child unit and nurturant socialization. This is universal and not the family as articulated by J.P. Murdoch. In conclusion, you can write this. And another thing is that if we want a comprehensive definition of family or if we want to make family a universal social institution, we should include matrifocal families. Again, Nair by Kathleen Gough, Central American Negroes, West African families, or maternal dyads, that is a mother-child unit, paternal dyads, or father-child unit. So these are modern day families where only mother is present or where other father is present. This is also a family. So you have to situate in that. Also, there are live-in relationships which are giving in modern days, which are getting sanctity of family. So you have to include these. More mark section, you have to divide the answer into functional and structural exceptions. When you say that family is not universal, use Malinowski and Brown, you will get more marks. Also, link family with marriage in introduction. You can use a thinker SF Nardale for that. Again, you will get a good introduction. Remember that function through a mnemonic, it will help you remember quickly in the exam. And same time, that is Shri, sexual, reproductive, educational and economic function. Link with paper 2. For example, Ho tribe Killi youth dormitory we mentioned earlier, and use nurture and socialization. This word will be very effective, and nuclear family. In conclusion, mention that these are the universal aspects of family. And never forget Kathleen Gough. You have to mention her. Please like, share and subscribe if you like this video at Surya's Anthro for UPSC, and keep supporting me so that I can make more videos for you guys. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.